today with us in What's for Lunch. This is part of Healthy with KidSTART program brought to you by Prudential. And as usual, today we are going to demonstrate a healthy, simple, yet affordable meal. So I'm Huda Ali, your host for today. And of course, we have none other than Chef Mazlan. Hello, Chef.
Hello.
So, what are we preparing today for them?
Okay, today we're going to prepare 3 dishes. I think 2 lah. One is drink lah, okay?
Okay.
Very simple one. Today the first one we'll do is the Ayam Masak Merah.
Ooh.
Okay, a very traditional weddings event. You should know. Traditionally, when I do it, I will not add veggie. But it seems that we need to encourage the kids. So we add a bit of a very beautiful red green pepper, red and green pepper, blanched cooked tomatoes. We have sugar, brown sugar lah. Okay, if you don't have this brown sugar, you can use gula Melaka or gula Jawa. And then we will use a bit of herbs, cumin. Not for friends. Today we only use 1 friend, can ah? So it's lighter for the kids. Okay.
So we are going to start cooking the Ayam Masak Merah.
Yes. Cooking oil 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Is in the recipe.
Alright.
Okay, we have these beautiful herbs. Fresh herb, we have garlic and sliced onion, red onion. Okay, if you think you don't have red onion, you have the yellow onion, not white onion.
Chef, actually, right, today,
Yeah.
I actually brought a star guest
Oh, is it?
with me today. Look, Ali!
Hooray!
Dun, 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 dun. Come here.
Yeah, come here.
This is my son.
Oh, is it? Okay, that's good.
So my son, say hello everyone. What is this? The stove is it cold? No, it's hot. So you be careful, okay?
Alright, it smells nice.
Okay.
Okay, we add on the chicken.
I know. You want to try?
Want to try? Come, try.
Wow. You want to be a chef as well? Oh.
It's very serious. Okay, good. Okay, let the chicken brown with the onion flavor and the garlic flavor.
Okay.
Alright. Okay,
wow.
he's doing it good. You see?
Oh, okay.
Okay, now we can add this
Okay, you want
wonderful.
to put the tomato?
Yes.
Tomatoes are your favorite?
Yes. At this juncture, right? I don't use chili. What do you call ground chili or minced chili.
So actually, tomatoes, they are very rich in vitamin A and C, right?
Let the tomato concasse or tomato sauce cook through. Okay, at this juncture, I will use number 4. So it's not to intimidate the kids, okay? Be careful. Remember, supervision is utmost in a priority, okay? Alright, you see the color already, Abang? Can we put in this beautiful, what do you call, green pepper, red pepper, or some of them call capsicum?
Let's put the green one. You can pour the whole bowl in.
Okay, slowly.
Oh, I want
All
to
right,
do myself.
excellent.
All
Awesome.
Thank you. So, like Chef says, if you want more colors, the traffic light colors, you can add yellow bell pepper as well. Oh, yeah. This is how you interact with your kids in the kitchen.
Have to be patient with the
Yeah.
kids, okay? You have to be patient. Sugar, bang.
Scoop the sugar. Pour it in.
Marvelous.
Yes.
Okay. Abang, last but not least,
Cumin powder.
1 teaspoon.
Only 1 spoon, okay? You scoop 1. Okay, you count 1.
Okay, while waiting to this to cook through, I'm boiling my pot here for the second recipe. Okay, this beautiful what do you call broccoli, and then we have this mushroom. Okay.
Do you like broccoli? No. So now we are going to cook the broccoli.
Add the rest of the ingredient. Okay, like blanch or boiling. Carrot, yes.
Okay, you want to put the carrot or you help you put? Be careful, you see, when you put it very high up, then the water will
splash.
Splash, yes.
How long to boil or blanch your vegetable, right? Boiling water, 4 minutes, all done already. Okay, now your beautiful what do you
this
call
one. Bell pepper.
bell pepper. Slowly.
Alright.
Okay. Last but not least, don't forget your
What is this? Mushroom. You see,
Okay.
chef cut the mushroom into half.
yes. So you need to count.
Little 6, little mushroom, 7, little 8, little 9, little mushroom.
So we are going to just pre-cook all the vegetables.
Blanching of vegetable, you can see from here, we can see red, yellow, green, brown. So it's very wonderful.
Look at the colors.
To know how or when the veggie is really cooked, when it floats and then your broccoli, a very beautiful broccoli, turn into a very greenish. Okay, I take everything. I use my strainer here. Okay, now we can start cooking the vegetable.
Yeah, are you ready? Are you going to cook the vegetable now? Okay.
Okay, cooking oil. We have this what they call garlic,
Onion and ginger, right?
Okay, very simple cooking at this juncture. Alright, it's good already, chef. Can we put the sauce? Okay, I'm using your oyster sauce. Alright, 2 teaspoons. Remember your salt. Alright,
Wait.
don't use so much.
Alright.
Yeah, scoop up.
Yes.
Don't waste.
Yes.
I put a bit of water because your cooking also so dry. About 2 tablespoons. Okay, as I said today, no salt bay. I just use a normal. Very tired. I just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whatever cooking you do, salt always last. Okay, at this juncture, right? Since you blanch your vegetable already, don't cook too long. You just need to warm through. So at this juncture, salt. Okay, 1, 2, enough. Enough. Okay, the next dish is we're going to do is the drink. The drink. Okay, I'm using this pot and then I'm using the water there. Drink the measuring cup. My cinnamon stick. My green cardamom. Okay, and then my clove. I want it to be very intense. Okay.
Pour it inside, right?
Yes, pour everything. Alright.
Wait.
In cooking term, what we are doing is we rendering the flavor, what you call these beautiful aromatic dry herbs. Okay, grated about
That's ginger.
okay 2 cm, 2 cm, yeah.
So you grate your ginger.
As I said, the recipe got honey, right? Don't pour together with inside the bowl. You try to control the flavor. I show you some add more flavor. I will grate a bit of the lemon skin to have that. Try not to grate it to the white color, just the yellow color of the skin. Press. If you think it's very difficult, right? Very simple. Don't stress. Use your spoon.
We are not boiling it, right, chef?
Just simmering it.
Just simmer.
Okay. Now can we
Strain it.
strain it? Okay.
I help.
Yeah, sure. Very beautiful, very aromatic. Okay.
Especially during rainy weather,
Yeah.
wet weather. This drink, ooh la la.
Okay. We almost ready. How fast is actually it's very fast because this young man kacau only, you know. But it's fun. He's at least he get into it. He get involved naturally.
Alright, yes.
Okay. Slowly. Wow, very nice. Slowly. Wow. The small one. Yeah, awesome.
One more. Oh, don't let me.
Okay, never
you
mind.
You do it. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Can you squeeze on the teaspoon? Yes, 1 teaspoon.
Okay,
alright.
These herbs or aromatic drink, hot or cold, it doesn't matter. Your preference. For today, as my recipe was saying, right, I put Ayam Masak Merah, I put either bread or brown, brown rice. But today we will use basmati rice. It's also a very good rice, a very low GI or glycemic index. That means very simple, low sugar lah.
So I am going to plate at the healthy plate. Okay, this one if we scoop, everyone waiting until dinner time also not ready. Ibu put for you the chicken here. busy lah this one. Alright.
Carrot.
Yeah. Carrot. Yes, do you like the carrot? Scoop it. Scoop all the vegetables. Put all the vegetables on the plate. Yes, okay, come. So today is the final episode for this year, and hopefully we'll be back next year. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching What's for Lunch, a Healthy with KidSTART initiative brought to you by Prudential Singapore. Till we meet again, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye to your friends.